Hello everyone and welcome to this evening's video. What we're looking at today is a 93 GT automatic that I've had for quite some time and have more or less left complete. But a customer nearby is looking for an automatic transmission and his name is Mike. So the purpose of this video is just to show other potential customers what I go through when I promise that I'm selling you a tested and working part. And the second portion of this video is to give Mike some documentation that I've ran his AOD transmission here through all the paces, and he knows that when he goes to put this in his Mustang that it's going to properly function. So if you're excited to see, as I am, some more about this 93 Mustang, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this is the first of a few videos that are going to be posted about this car. There'll be one more documenting the whole car in the daylight, so I'm sure you don't want to miss that. It's an opal gray premium interior with the tweed seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, 140 speedo. It's got an aftermarket exhaust system, and on and on. But that's not the purpose of this video, so let's just get into it. So for Mike, what we're going to do is start the car and shift it through all the gears. So what's nice about the AOD shifter is you can put it into low. It then goes into drive, which is second and third, which locks you out of overdrive, so you can then pop it into overdrive, and it makes it really easy, for me at least, to kind of test out transmissions like this. So let's go ahead and fire it up. Currently sitting here in park. Let's see if I turn this light off here. That helps a little bit. So what we're going to want to watch is the miles per hour, and when the transmission shifts between gears, you'll see it kind of drop down in RPM. You might even be able to hear it. So we'll go from first to second and third, which normally shift kind of quickly. And then I'll pop it into overdrive and get it up to like a highway kind of a speed, and you'll definitely be able to see and hopefully hear that everything's good. And I got to run it in reverse as well. So here we go, going down into, all the way down into D, drive here. Now I'm going to shift it into, well, this is first, I got it locked in, but I'm going to shift into drive, and you'll see it shift second and third, kind of one right after the other. Second, third. So now we're up to 55, 60. I'm going to go ahead and pop it in overdrive. And now we're in overdrive going 80, 90. About 110 miles an hour. Still in overdrive. Pop it down into drive. Let the miles per hour come down, and shifted it back into first. Go ahead and step out for a second. So we really are running this car stationary in place here for Mike. Go ahead and throw us up into neutral, reverse. One more time all the way through the gears, and that'll probably do us for the AOD transmission test. So back into neutral, down into first gear, go second, third, and overdrive. First, second, Josh at Encore Mustang Parts. That's how I test an automatic transmission. When I tell you you're getting something tested and working, you can rest assured that I'm gonna stand behind it, or as I've done here, show you ahead of time before I pull it that what you're gonna receive is a good transmission. Not black, somewhat still kind of a clearish fluid there. I don't think I have anywhere white to put this, but just want to give another look kind of at the color. Well, it smells like used transmission fluid, so that's probably a good thing because this is a used transmission. So Mike, after you get a chance to check this video out, let me know that we are good to go ahead and pull this trans out. And again, anybody else who just happened to be watching today's video, I appreciate your time. Go ahead and like it if you like what I do. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Mustang content in the future. And if you have any questions or comments on this 93 GT, I'll take them down below. You can also find my parts on eBay and my own website, which is EncoreMPW.com. Thanks.